Okay, so this is week 8, and the question reads, this is your open journal question. Please ask any questions you have about any area covered in this course that you would like to have more knowledge about. Basically, I feel that I've learned a lot in regards to everything that we have covered. I know that I entered a little bit late, but overall, I feel that I have learned a lot in regards to mental health, in regards to, school psychology. I honestly do not have any questions at this time, but definitely if questions come to mind when we have, class, I will definitely ask, if needed. I can't think of any questions off the top of my head right now, but I do appreciate, having this time to ask questions in regard to that. But overall, thank you.